faced or you're still facing this card decline thing when you're trying to start the Go High Level free trial. Basically, you have entered your first level of detail. At the step 2, when you're entering the card detail, it is either showing card authentication failed, or probably payment decline, or try some other card, or card blocked, or XYZ, whatever reason, but it is not going through. And you tried other card, whatever. You tried more cards and stuff, it is not working, and it is getting really frustrated. Let me tell you, I have faced this issue and I was really worried about it until I happened to solve this, and I can almost guarantee you, if you follow this method, you will be able to solve it. I'm going to tell you the two methods. The first method only has 10% chances, but still there could be a chance for it. The second method would be almost having 90% chance. In fact, one more method, like for the settings purpose, I'm going to tell you, because I try to find so many videos at that point of time. Let me tell you, still there is no video existing which is actually solving the problem. They'll say, oh, maybe it's blocked there, but of course, it's blocked. Or maybe, oh, you talk to customer support. Of course, we all know we can talk to customer support. And let me tell you, if you talk to customer support, there's nothing, because they are not going to change the code for you so that your card gets accepted, right? So you will have to, the support would not be able to do much about it, most likely. So now, what is the option left for you? So I'm going to reveal to you what exactly worked for me. Now, before telling, let me quickly tell you something for your advantage, and of course it helps us as well. Basically, instead of signing up directly, sign up through somebody's affiliate link, because that's going to provide you super amazing bonus if the person is offering. So similarly, let's say somebody actually help you and stuff. So you're really aligned with someone, you're under someone, coaching with someone, then it's fine. You can sign up with their affiliate link. But if you do not have as such people, you're still looking for, so then just go to this link, abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and there, because why I'm sending you this link, because there you'll be able to see the kind of bonus that you're getting. So here we are providing the bonus, and this is one-to-one personal WhatsApp support with me. I'm going to add you on a WhatsApp WhatsApp group between you personally, me, and my Go High Level expert. We are going to ensure that all your hiccups are done, setups and stuff. All your initial setups and how do you proceed, just skyrocketing quick success for you. And then this 127 snapshot. Let me tell you, one of these snapshots, sometimes for example, there is a coaching snapshot. Try to find out the coaching snapshot. Literally, you have to pay $1,000 sometimes for one snapshot. And here we have a collection of 127 snapshots. It's basically a template. One click of a button, it is going to get installed. Community snapshot, real estate, and AI powered script that can convert any snapshot into AI powered. It's exclusive one, of course, valued more than this. So you're going to get these two things. The third one, this one, literally, if somebody wants, we are going to even develop a website or funnel as per our GHL Go High Level expert is going to do, tracking over the WhatsApp. Literally, you try to find any of the affiliates, they are not giving such sort of thing. Even developing a website or funnel, you would not get it anywhere. We are trying to make it offer no brainer for the people and get as much benefit for the people. Even the AI employee help, A2P DLC approval, if somebody wants, we can get it done for them. We will guide you to the quick trainings and challenges, and private community access. But private community access, you can join anytime. Even right now, you can join. Go to abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, click join Go High Level community. Why you should join? Because now we are planning to conduct weekly mastermind calls. So imagine with all the other people, somebody is already here, achieve certain number of clients. Somebody is somebody has worked on the strategy. Everybody will be there in this live Zoom call. We'll be discussing the strategies. And imagine, even if you're just held back and sit back, it's just watch it. That will be super amazing value gaining to get your clients. So join the Go High Level community over here. And then this is the 30-day free trial link. You just have to click it. Normally you get we have got a special link created by Go High Level. As you can see, Abdullah, any friend of Abdullah is our friend, teamed up with Abdullah. You click on start and extended trial, enter this thing as step 2, enter your card detail. But the problem here is right now, we already discussed, that is the problem, right? That you do not how do you actually enter the card detail? So I'm going to reveal to you the first thing that you need to do. Of course, when you're trying to sign up, you need to use now different email, because you have already tried to sign up with a certain email, it didn't work. Now to get attached and to be eligible for all the bonus that I just talked about, you need to sign up using a different email. So now the first method which I wanted to talk is go to incognito window. So right click on new incognito window, and there just type in abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and over there just scroll it down and click sign up for the 30-day free trial. And at this link, why incognito window? Because let me tell you, a lot of times what happens, I mean, start extend free trial and just enter the detail. A lot of time what happens, there is a cache issue. Some sort of things is remaining there, some sort of, and so instead of recommending like go to a history, clean everything because you lose all your passwords and stuff, this is the sweetest and spotless way. Go to incognito window, try to sign up, and that's it. Definitely you might be lucky and it will work with the same card that you have been trying, which was not working earlier. Now the second thing, I'm going to reveal the main thing which actually worked for me. But the second thing, there might be setting issue in your card. Go to your bank website and then try to see for your card, is the international payment accepted, is like there is a limit to the payment, and you can even talk to your bank, because all this is a quick process, that you just talk to your bank guy, hey, I'm not able to get through this website, international website. He might check the setting for you. You yourself check the setting, or if there is some other blockage, this might be solved at your bank end. So 2 steps I told you. Now I'm going to reveal to you the third major step, which is guaranteed that it is going to work and work for me, is that most of the countries, because people are using the misusing these platforms for the free trial, using the virtual cards, or just because the intention is not to pay or use the software, they just want the free trial for free. So they have been using and abusing this system. That's why there is a protection level, and some of the countries have been put onto that list as well. Some of the banks have been put, so the lower level cards and stuff are being rejected. There's nothing we can do about a debit card. So even at that time, right now, I'm even Dubai based, and I have a company in Dubai and stuff, so I'm using my Dubai card. But when I was in India, all my cards were not working. I tried tens of cards, let me tell you. Then what I did is I ordered a premium credit card. It was a long process to figure out the solution. I'll repeat, a premium credit card. That means a very high tiered credit card. And let me reveal to you exact credit card. The Regalia, HDFC Regalia Gold credit card. HDFC Regalia Gold credit. And let me tell you, I've not just solved this problem for myself, I've solved for other people as well. They tried the same thing. The reason it seems difficult, because you have to order the card, it will take some time for the card to come and stuff, but it's guaranteed to work, because Regalia credit card Gold is like a premium version of the card, and that's how the system automatically detects it to be the premium version of the card, accepts it, and you can start your free trial. And because right now I'm having Dubai card is anyways premium, so it accepts. So right now this is the problem, and more than 90% probability this is the problem for you, that the card that you're using is actually not accepted, and most likely the debit cards, and it's not just that credit card gets accepted, the premium credit card from a premium bank. So let's say you're not living in India, you don't have HDFC Regalia, or probably you can think of some other card in your country. What is the premium one? High tiered credit card. Make a move, order it, and definitely it is guaranteed that it is going to work. Let me tell you guys, it might be oh man, I will need to order the card, it will take time and stuff, but let me tell you, the thing is, you might try all the other things. Of course you can use all the cards within your family, try to ask the cards within your family and try it, but then talking to a customer support, talking to the bank, doing the settings, it all will eventually lead to frustration. It might work at some stage for some people, but most of the time it is not working. The same card you cannot get to work if it is not working, right? If there's not a setting issue, the card is not working, you cannot get to work by talking to someone from the customer or anything. So last option left is this. So why not do it quicker? Why not just order for the credit card? It might take a week, 10 days, whatever, but you will actually have, at least have a solution in your hand. Now you have the card, now you can access the system, use the system, scale the system. But guys, again, I'll repeat, this will even help us, but let me tell you, we are giving far more value, far more than we are getting at the initial. So we break even after a certain point of time. If you succeed with the system, only then we break even. This, literally we have to pay a lot of money to our experts to do all these things, but we want you to be winning this particular deal, be on the better side of the deal. So go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots and try this thing right now, the incognito window. Try a new email. If it works, it's super amazing, crazy, right? And then also try to do the settings, and then again try it with the new email that you have tried. You don't have to use new email every time. The first time you're using the new email with us, that's it. Just use the same email, and even till the end, just use the same email and the card. And if all these things, settings and everything not working, then try to order the new card, the premium credit card in your country from a premium bank. And once you use it, definitely it is going to work. I hope that the video helps And guys, let me tell you, this has worked not just for me, like random people, this has worked. I've even made this video in the past. And from there itself, the people said, okay, this worked, this solution. And this has personally worked for me. After month or 2 months of frustration, I did all that thing and then find the solution. That's why I'm giving it to you, because it worked for me. I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Bye-bye. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
Just to further add to it, that you're even going to get access to this special mastermind group which I have created for the affiliate inner circle. That means all these people will be there in the personal WhatsApp group, so that it's easily accessible. Easily anybody can type in their content, whatever that they feel like, and it's only available for the inner circle affiliates. The goal of this group is that people with similar goals move together, sharing each other the strategies and promoting each other to get the client, the best of the strategies that work to get the client. So basically this group especially for progressing towards getting the client, becoming that next SaaSpreneur. Having said that, this is apart from the 127 snapshot that you're going to get. This is apart from the one-to-one personal support that you are going to get with our expert and the WhatsApp group that I'm going to form. Now, the question is whether somebody who has who has already joined the Gohighlevel, can they have access to all these things and access to the mastermind group? Answer is yes. All you have to do is just enter our code AI bonuses into AI employee. How do you go there? Like, just go to your agency, click settings, click AI employee, manage offers, and then within field FP reference is equal to, just put AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, click apply, take the screenshot and send us to abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. We will ensure to deliver you the entire snapshot set, the AI powered scripts to convert all the snapshot into AI powered, and the mastermind group access. Yeah, and most importantly, you have access to me once you find your first AI employee client. I wish you guys all the best. See you there.